Well guys, I'm a little behind on this. We have hit 10,000 and then 15,000 and now we're working on 20,000 subscribers. And I'm way behind, so I'm gonna, do a giveaway thing, right? Kind of like we did when I hit 1,000. It's a little different than most giveaways that, other channels will do. Mostly in that I'm not gonna cut you a $5,000 check or give you a car, but I will give you something unique that, well, I think it means something to all of us, right? I want you to go in the comments of this video and I want you to tell me your favorite part about the channel so far. Whatever it was, like if it was one particular thing stuck out to you in a video and you thought that was cool. A, that helps me know what do you guys like, and B, we're all kind of a community, right? I gotta say, I think we got one of the more tight-knit communities as far as YouTubers go. You guys are like family, right? I'm gonna pick, I don't know, whoever has the most ornate, detailed one. I'll pick like 100 of them, and we'll use a random selector thing to pick the 3 or 4 winners. Let's do 4. Let's do 4 winners this time. And then we'll announce the winner on a live. Say we'll do it 2 weeks after this video posts or something like that. Probably 2 weeks. Hit the bell so you know that what I'm doing. What I'm going to offer for you. 4th place, which would be the first one I randomly pick. You can be the proud owner of the worst push rod out of the Holy Goat's original 400. As you can see, you could probably fill that with some JB Weld and send it if you wanted. Keep it in your glove box as a spare. 3rd place, a valve spring assembly out of the Holy Goat 400, still covered in authentic transmission fluid and lacquer thinner. This is a rare prized possession right there. I'd sure be lucky to have that. 2nd place, you can have the distributor that I broke out of the 400. It's all here. There's some good parts in here, actually. Even the mechanical advance mechanism's free. It's custom, double adjustable. So, this caused a lot of controversy, and I want it out of my sight. So, 2nd place, she's all yours, buddy. 1st place, Granddaddy, ultimate, top prize, period. A piston and connecting rod assembly with rod cap out of the Holy Goat 400. It is seized solid. And this is number 8. I have labeled them. So this is going to be the number 8 piston out of the Holy Goat's original numbers matching Pontiac 400. Get a little lucky and you could tell a decent little tale about how you found the channel, your favorite part of the channel, that kind of thing. You could be the proud owner of that piston there. You could make a good conversation piece, I guess. That's what's going to be up for offer. So, this video, comments below. I want you to tell me who turned you on to the channel, how you found the channel, what your favorite moment was. The more the better. You get bonus points for that kind of thing. I got a special surprise. If you really want, like, say, a Holy Goat 400 piston and rod assembly, I obviously have 7 more. And what I think we're going to do is create a website where you can buy pieces of the Holy Goat, which will help fund rebuilding the original motor, because, you guys know, that's going to cost at least $5,000, and I don't have that. I really don't. So, that's all I want. I don't want to just take your money. I know other YouTubers would just be like, oh, start a Patreon. No, I'm not doing that. I want to at least give you something for your donation. I know a lot of you guys want to help, so I'm working on that right now. And hopefully by the time the live rolls around, that should all be set up, ready to rock. And if you guys want to help out, you can help out that way. But before you do that, you might as well enter and see if you can get something for free, right? So, comments below. Say where you found the channel, what you like about the channel, what your favorite part about the channel, anything. Tell a story, man. And I'll pick 100 of my favorites. We'll randomly select 4, and we'll do that on a live. We'll have a little extravaganza a couple weeks from now. So thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to give a quick update on that. And I haven't forgot about it. I've just been so busy making more content that I kind of forgot I was going to do it at 10,000, and that went right by. I was going to do it at 15,000, and that's been right by too. So let's call it 20,000, and we'll say that's good enough, right? That's what we do. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, comment, comment.